Hi everyone, it's Anne-Marie from Anne-Marie Creates, and welcome back to my channel. I thought I would film a quick video this morning and share, basically do a Country Craft Creations haul video and share with you what I purchased. I haven't looked yet, I can't even remember what this is, but all I did was take out the stuffing paper. Oh boy. Oh, now I remember. Yes. This is kind of a restock, and oh, sorry for the glare. There's going to be all kind of crinkly noise while I get all this out of here. Sorry about that. Okay, so I needed more score tape. I needed more magnets. These are the ribbons that I bought to go with one of these paper collections. I'm so excited for this one. I'm going to move this one out of the way. So I bought the Country Craft Creations, the exclusive paper kit, paper collection from Country Craft Creations, and it's called Friends. But I think, as you can see, this is Raggedy Ann and Andy. I loved Raggedy Ann and Andy when I was little, well, because you know my name is Anne Marie. And I had, in school, I had a friend named Andy, and we got teased a lot about Raggedy Ann and Andy, but awesome. Look at this paper collection. So we'll go through these individually, but I just want to show you real quick. I'm so excited for this. I'm going to make a mini album with this one for myself. And to go with that, like I said, I bought all this ribbon and seam binding to go with it. I got some gorgeous My Colors cardstock. I got Firecracker. Looks a little orangey on the screen, but it is definitely very red. This one is called Sky, which is beautiful. This one is Moonstone. You see the difference there? My camera looks very dark. Don't know why it looks so dark. There we go. Okay. And then, yeah, Moonstone. So those are going to be the accent cardstock pages. I am going to use this Artisan cardstock in this beautiful navy color. Beautiful. And I also had to restock on my Artisan cardstock in white. This is the, what is it, 87 pound, I think? Yeah, this is not the heavier weight one. This is the normal one, which is fantastic anyway. So I needed to restock my stash on that with that one. And then I did something I don't normally do. I am not necessarily a Graphic 45 fan. I feel like all the papers look the same. The colorways that they use, they all look the same to me. I don't hate them, but they're just not my thing. But when I saw this one, I was like, I think I need to have that. So this is called Spring is in the Air from Graphic 45. So I got the 12 by 12 collection pack. That bunny, this bunny's cute. This one's a little creepy to me, but you know, I'll get over it. And then I also got the, what do they call these? The 12 by 12 pad. Oh, sorry for that glare. Oh my gosh. The 12 by 12 patterns and solids. I love these colors. They're so bright. Love them. Okay, so then to go with that, I also got the cardstock sticker set. Oh my, it's double-sided. I just love pink and navy blue together. Toss in some green and cream and I am a happy girl. So there's that. Oh, these are newer to me. The chipboard tags and frames. Oh, you can see there's all sorts of, oh, those are cute. Okay, I like those. How many pieces is in there? 31 assorted pieces, and these are actually, I think you can see how thick they are. These are actual chipboard. These aren't stickers, so that's awesome. Oh, these are cute. And then this one is the ephemera assortment. There's 66 assorted pieces. Oh, look how cute. This would be so cute on mini albums and 3D projects and cards and all the things. I love it. Okay, we'll go through that one after. I have been dying to get my hands on this one. I was hoping I would get this one in my design team package, but I didn't. But that's okay. Oh. Oh, awesome. Look how cute. I just absolutely love Raggedy Ann and Andy. I don't know what it is, but anyway, these are the cut aparts from the what is it called? The tags, cut aparts and tags sheet. Tamara's providing them already cut out, so I don't have to pull out my scan and cut, which is awesome. Okay, so sorry, I feel like we look a little blurry here. I apologize for the lighting. Oh, let's see if we can make it a little less bright. Oh, all right, it kind of is what it is. It's a dark gray day here in the Northeast, and it's snowing. It's March 1st, and it's snowing. Anyway, so look at how sweet this paper collection is. I just absolutely love red gingham. And then when you add that plaid in, these are just so super, super cute. This is like, what is this, mattress ticking? I think is that what that's called. And guys, don't throw the sheet away. You know, you can actually cut these little pieces apart here, and you can use them as tags and little tuck spots. I love to do that. So instead of going through each individual tag, here you can see all the cute little tags. Love it. That's probably my favorite one. So there's that. Okay. Oh, so I got another sheet too. I got them cut apart, but I also got a sheet. So here are the tags. You get 2 pages of the tags. So I guess these are probably 3 by 4. Let's see. Whoops. Oh, no, these are 2 and 5/8. Am I measuring that right? 2 and 5/8 by 4. But look at that. They are just so cute. Oh, and then they have these cute little tags here say, be the kind of friend you needed when you were little. Aww. Every heart needs mending from time to time. Good friends make every day feel like a play date. Make believe your dreams into being. And then it repeats. So you get 2 pages of those. Then there's 3 pages. Oh, look how cute. Love, love, love. That's the front. Oh, there you go. Love it. That's the back. So here's Andy. It looks like he's in a waterfall, and he's like falling down a waterfall or something. Red gingham. The colors are so vibrant, and this is on that beautiful vellum paper. It's shiny and gorgeous. It just feels so nice. I love this one. There's the back. Oh, there's the patchwork. Okay, and then here we have my girl. She's sitting on the red mattress ticking. Super, super cute. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. This one, Raggedy Andy Stories, introducing the little rag brother of Raggedy Ann. I don't think I knew he was her brother. I thought he was her boyfriend. He's her boyfriend in my world. Anyway, how cute. Oh, I love that one. Tamara, if you're listening, this would be fantastic to make into a fabric so I can make a quilt. Just saying. Just saying. Love this with all those little sayings that I read earlier. Oh, that's pretty. Then we have this one, the Raggedy Andy Stories. Look how cute. On these little library cards. Super cute. Oh, I love that. And the last page is this one, Raggedy Andy. Ann always hanging down. He always hanging off of something. Oh, that's pretty. So that is my friend's paper collection from Country Craft Creations. Like I said, run and go get this. The beauty of it, if it sells out, Tamara has these printed locally to her, and she just goes, picks up, has them reprint, and picks them up. So it might take a couple of days, but that's always awesome. So there's that one. And I am just going to pull out this collection here. I don't want to make this video too long. But, oh, the glare is killing me. Okay, so again, this is Graphic 45, Spring is in the Air. And you get 2 sheets of all 8 double-sided papers. Oh, that's, of course I picked it up upside down. No, I didn't. Okay, sorry. I did. Let me turn this over. Oh, that stinks. Oh, the ink is very inky today. So here is the first page with all the little stamps. This little bunny, Blossom by Blossom, Spring Begins. I love this. Again, creeping me out a little bit. I love these. Oh my goodness, I love this pink. Love it. I might not want to cut it, but I'm going to have to. Okay, so you get 2 pages of that. So here's Creepy Bunny. And there's the front. There's the back. Oh, that's really pretty. And that navy blue. That is so pretty. I love it. Oops. Oh, this is pretty. So this says Wonderful Sunshine. You can kind of see the little patterns repeat here. Oh, that's so pretty. The Best Day, Smiles, Springtime. That's the front. That's really pretty too. And the green, the green is a little washed out on my screen, but everything's washed out on my screen today. But it's a really vibrant, like lime green. It's beautiful. So here is the, what is this? This paper is called It's a Beautiful Day. This is the borders cut aparts. I forget what they call these, but that is just so pretty. I love this basket. And again, all these little stamps, you can cut these out individually and just tuck them all over the place. Love it. And then, oh, Creepy Bunny. But I love the color. This is a beautiful, bright, not quite hot pink, but it's a bright pink. Very nice. Oh, this one's so pretty. Love this one. Again, it's more of a lime green. Oh, I love all the different wildflowers. This one's called New Beginnings. So pretty. All the little, what are these called? Hyacinth, I think. Is that what that's called right there? I don't know. I'm talking to you like you're right here in the room with me. And then here is, again, some leaves. Just, scattering of leaves. That's the back. Oh, and this is the gorgeous blue version. Oh, I love this one. Blossom by Blossom, it's called. That's the front. That's the back. Oh, that's very pretty. Very pretty. And then we're back to some more cut aparts. Spring has sprung. Yeah, I wish it had sprung. Blossom by Blossom, see, Spring Begins. Oh, this is just very pretty. This one down here is really pretty. I love it. And then the back. Oh, I love that. You can journal on the back and it's, oh, I love that. Love, 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 love. Hopping by to say hello, like little postcards. Here, like flowers, please. Love that. Okay, this is the last page, and it's out of focus. It's crazy. Sorry. What? Give me 1 second. It just won't do it. Okay, well, so you can see Creepy Bunny. Actually, he's cute. He's cute. And the butterfly and the flowers and all the little flowery, scrolly work. I love that, and that is the back. So that is all that you get with the collection pack for Spring is in the Air for Graphic 45. And then, as I showed earlier, I got like the ephemera packs and the stickers, and then I have the solid patterns and solids page or pack, which I absolutely love. I'm looking forward to making a project with this. So stay tuned. I hope to have it done very, very soon. So come back and check it out. Thanks for your time. Everybody have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye.